Smart microwave oven indeed have a series of settings, at least 100 easy to operate. After initial manual go through an innovative product, the delivery was super fast. Slim fry and hot blast with sun dry are great features. Price slightly higher, but it's value for money. THX to the designing team in the awesome product. I was in two minds whether to change my old IFB38LT microwave or getting it fixed. Took a bet on this Samsung microwave and I was glad I took the call. Worth it. The fan-assisted oven feature is an added surprise and one of the hottest features. Must buy. Just bought this in just 19 rupees 700 with a good discount of 10% off at amzn.to/2p4in. Actually, I wanted to replace my current microwave and bought this one. So far satisfied with this product. Also, it's Samsung A1 plus 1-year warranty. The brand does the job pretty well, even grilling for non-veg foods, perfect heat distribution for crispy or crunchy items like pizza, papads, cookies, chips etc. Really, it's worth buying product. Build quality, looks and overall functions are great. You won't regret for sure. Quite silent and easy for new users to operate. Some pros and cons which wanted to share though. Pros: 1. Almost all food items are possible. 2. Touchpad functions are awesome. 3. Easy to operate. 4. Door opens downwards, not sideways like any other typical ovens. 5. Useful for big plates, dishes and utensils. 6. Instant heating. 7. Even grilling. 8. Perfect heat distribution. 9. Almost silent, minimal noise. 10. Quick tips stickers are helpful. Cons: 1. Sometimes it feels so delicate. Can't fit tall utensils. Might consume more power, but obviously because of instant heating. Overall, I can give 8 stars out of 10 for this microwave oven. The biggest microwave plus convection oven I could find. I needed to replace my 10 years old Panasonic 40L1. This was the best I could get in the market. The temperature range and size were my two pain points. Pros: the turntable off feature is good to fit rectangular items. The time increase is in 5 seconds intervals. Samsung service is wonderful. The crusty plate and accessories are useful. The door opens downwards and avoids accidental burns when taking out hot pans. The beeps are super loud, you can hear it anywhere. The sun drying feature actually works. The irritants: the time gets reset every time the power goes off. The door is really hard to open, you need to put some force into it. Baking: I primarily use it for microwaving food to reheat, multiple times daily. Weekend baking of cakes, cookies, brownies, yeast-based bread and pizza. The 200C is the max temp. This can be a bit limiting for pizza. My earlier oven went up to 250. However, I found that the smaller size doesn't pack. So check it earlier. The grill setting is useful to get the browning at the tops of the pizza. It might be better to use combination setting for the pizza and preheat the crusty plate before placing the pizza into it. I tried thin crust pizzas, but these still took a little longer than I would have liked. Maybe I need to heat the plate more. Microwave goes max till 900W. 1 teacup water boils in 1 minute. Crunchy toast: 1 slice takes 130 min. The Samsung app is useful to get the preset modes if you want to try the sun dry etc. What I've made in this so far: 2 months: cakes, brownies, cookies, pizza, yeast dough, toast, sun dried tomatoes. Tip: old recipes from Europe, US give temperature for non-convection ovens, which don't have fan. When making these, you need to lower the temperature for convection cooking. Google the conversion formula. Easy to clean because of ceramic coating inside. One of the latest and best microwave in the world. Click link in description for more reviews.